Hi, we are Mestamaster and we are making construction efficient. Overall, in the past 50 years, construction industry productivity has not increased, and the costs have increased significantly since COVID and the war in Ukraine. Meanwhile, older buildings need renovations in order to reduce CO2 emissions.
Mestamaster was founded on the idea that construction can be done much smaller. I started my working career on cruise ship renovation industry. Later, I started to use the same methods on my construction sites as the site foreman.
Mestamaster is a digital tool and process for tactile construction. It originated from the manufacturing industry, where productivity has increased tremendously over the past decades. Takt is superior in creating flow and simplifying production processes in shipbuilding or construction and many other industries.
Mestamaster reduces risks and costs of construction, leading to increased supply of housing on markets. Using Mestamaster can reduce the delays and budget overruns of public projects like hospitals and schools. Finally, Mestamaster and takt time can drive down costs for renovating old buildings, leading to less material and energy waste during construction.
In recent decades, it became clear that proper communication tools are crucial for takt to work on a construction environment. Modern digital tools like Mestamaster and increased connectivity of the built environment enable real-time communication at work site and efficient implementation of takt time.
Construction is one of the largest shares of GDP globally, and we estimate the market opportunity in the EU and US combined to be over 1 billion euros.
Digital adoption in the sector is being accelerated by strong demand for infrastructure, a shortage of skilled labor, and increased costs.
Mestamaster has a team with several years of experience in tech startups and the construction industry. We have built several products with successful exits, and we know the ins and outs of construction projects. Mestamaster brings construction industry into 21st century. Join us.